Hi, Dr. Rob with your health tip of the week. Ketone salts. Let me explain to you why and how they enable you to get into ketosis within 15 minutes and stay in ketosis for 1 hour, and why they're so important. Ketone salts are great because they're used with a buffer of sodium and calcium. They bring in a ketone body, which is a critical element of the ketogenic diet, beta-hydroxybutyrate. Beta-hydroxybutyrate is not only a fuel source for energy through athletic events and for your brain, it's also a signaling agent releasing the master antioxidant glutathione. Glutathione enables you to stop 1 million free radicals. So getting that beta-hydroxybutyrate in quick is really healthy for you. I suggest it if you're trying to do the ketogenic diet, and I also suggest if you just want to benefit from having ketone bodies. Ketone salts, great whether you're on the ketogenic diet or not. Dr. Rob, always yours in health.